Hi, we're going to look at an app called Stories to Learn today. And Stories to Learn is an app that can be used for many different reasons, including making social stories, visual schedules, and whatnot. It's a very easy to learn app. We're going to take about 2 minutes just to look at the main things you can do with it. Um, but again, it's pretty easy to use and it's relatively cheap for social story type apps. Gives you three options on the main page when you open it: view stories, edit stories, add story. Stories to Learn comes with about 12 pre-made social stories that you see on here. You also down here will see a couple that I've already added to it. But it does have, excuse me, has 12 stories that are already created that you can use, modify, edit, do what you want with. So that's in View Story. If I was to go to Edit Stories, you're going to see the stories that we just saw. If I wanted to touch one, let me type reciprocal play. You'll notice these are the pages that they're created in the story that they've made. I could hit the edit button in the top right corner, delete pages in there, or move pages around. I want to leave those like they are for now. If I wanted to edit a page in this already created story, I'm going to touch the page. Let's do the first one. I can change the text. I can change the picture, or I could change the audio recording associated with that. Go back to my home screen again. I can also add my own story. I can type the story name. I can add an icon, and then I could create the story by adding pages with text, pictures from my camera roll, and audio recording. Let's look at a simple story that I made called Listening. That audio, and say, it is important to listen when you are being spoken to. Let me turn up my volume on there so you can hear that again. That audio, and say, it is important to listen when you are being spoken to. And again, I just made text and I made a voiceover with that text. I could also add pictures, make a longer social story, do whatever I want with it. So again, Stories to Learn, relatively inexpensive for making social stories, very easy to use. Download it from the App Store today.